right, it's Wednesday, September 25th. I'm buying some Federal Express 265 puts here at 229. This is kind of on the 50. It's a little late, but in terms of the fact that it broke down on bar number 3, which could have been a good buy puts right here. We've continued a little lower. I bought it somewhere when the stock, is consolidating here. I just have a feeling that this one is, after a weak opening here, I've been kind of waiting for this. Had the big gap down on negative news. Then you did have a little inside day to the upside, a little follow through back into the gap. But I still anticipate after a big weekly red bar that you can be taking out the lows of that bar, moving to this area in the big picture. After a big drop, you usually don't get, unless it's just one of those really strong stocks, buying might immediately come in if it was some kind of news that in the long run didn't really affect anything. But this was pretty negative news, so I was kind of anticipating lower price. Obviously, people bought it a little bit here on the gap down for a couple of days, but now we're heading lower. And you can see here, price is now picking up a little momentum to the downside. So I've been waiting the last 2 days to look for sell signals here after the gap down. Yesterday, or 2 days ago, didn't do it. Today, the day before, yesterday moved up, and now we're rolling over back to the downside. So I want to see if we test these lows. I just think the big picture, it's not really a 2-down day. It's just an inside day at the moment, but we'll see if this, by the end of the week, could start kind of rolling over to the downside. And this opening price action seems weak enough where it kind of took out the first bar low and then kind of held in here, so I bought some puts. So we'll see where it goes. You can see right now, bought at 229. They're asking 255. I'll see if I can get this up, above 3, and then go from there. But, negative stock overall with a negative opening. So just one of those things where I want to see towards the end of the week if we work down towards those lows where the thing gapped in an overall negative environment for the stock until, the big picture really improves on the weekly chart, which is a long way off at this point.